Hello and welcome to You're Stirring It Wrong. Today we're making red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting, starring our special guest, Andrew!
Hey guys, what's up?
So, red velvet cupcakes?
Yes.
Whoa, that's so cool.
I've tried to make red velvet cake a lot of times before. Well, like, maybe once, actually.
Oh.
It didn't turn out good. I did not like it. But I've also tried it another time and it tasted like Play-Doh. And so I just thought, you know, all of these recipes are so terrible, so I made my own. We're gonna see how it turns out.
Oh, okay.
Dance break. I just always thought, what's the point of red velvet cake? Like, what's the flavor supposed to be? Because the red part only comes from
The dye.
Yeah. Ready?
How many drops?
I don't know, just do like 3 maybe?
3,000.
Special cake oil spray
Ooh.
thing
And that's to prevent it from...
sticking to the pan.
Okay.
It's cooking spray with flour and it smells really good. Okay, there's the cookie scoop. So you just use that to measure how much to put in each one.
Okay.
I think they're done now. What do you think? Wait,
Oh,
no.
that one's...
Not
used
that
to have
one.
chocolate.
That is so weird. These are done, but this one's not. I think we overfilled that one.
Maybe you hit a chocolate chip. That's
You know what? I bet that's what it is. It looks like a chocolate chip, right? I mean, it shouldn't. That's not batter because the batter's not brown. Duh. Hey, Andrew, do you want to try a cupcake?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you like
I bet...
half, and I'll give like
Is it cooled off?
tech crew. It's cooled off enough. We're not
Okay.
gonna like edit it. Tech crew arm. There you
I get the big piece.
go. Yeah.
Oh. It's too red.
No, it's not. Thank you so much for baking with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification button. I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.